Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by setting the snap focus distance and assigning a button. Go to Custom AF/MF Snap Focus and pick the distance that matches your shooting style, 0. 5M for close street portraits, 1, 0, 2, 0M for midrange, infinity for landscapes. Once done, map snap focus to FN1 or the front function button so you can engage it instantly. Make sure to confirm the setting and return to shooting mode. The camera will now lock focus to that preset distance when you press the assigned button. You'll now use snap focus in real scenarios. Compose, then press the assign snap focus button to immediately lock focus to your preset distance. The camera won't hunt, so you get fast, repeatable focus. Once locked, half-press the shutter to meter and adjust exposure without losing focus. If you need more forgiveness, stop down the aperture to increase depth of field. Conversely, open up if you need subject separation. Make sure to recheck distance in low light and practice with different presets to find what works best. To finish a sequence, release the snap focus button to resume normal autofocus or change AF mode. You can switch back instantly when needed. If you encounter missed focus, check that your preset distance matches the actual subject distance and that there's enough contrast or light for the lens to resolve. Low light and glossy subjects can fool the system. When precision matters, use manual focus override or magnify live view to fine-tune, and make small distance adjustments to the snap focus setting for future shots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.